Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language courses we offer. When I'm teaching, regardless of whether it's a face-to-face bricks and mortar classroom or just an online Zoom lesson, I always like to get to class 10-15 minutes early. It helps me to relax, it gives me a feel for the room, and when the early arrivals turn up I can chat to them, get to know them a little bit better, maybe find one or two things to teach as the classroom's slowly filling up. Usually when students arrive early, we just chat and make small talk. We talk about what they've been up to. Sometimes we talk about the COVID situation, predictably. And sometimes we talk about the weather. This week, one of my students asked me what the weather was like here in North London. And I said that after a brief Indian summer, which was lovely at the start of September, autumn has arrived with a vengeance. It's pelting down outside and it's cold and grey and miserable. If you say that something happens or arrives or returns with a vengeance, it means it does so in an extreme way, with lots of force. So just to give you one more example, even though at the moment it looks like we're over the worst of the COVID virus, lots of medical experts are predicting that COVID will return with a vengeance in the autumn. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps more people to see it. Please do share the videos and the channel with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use things returning or arriving or happening with a vengeance.